Reiki-san, what are we going to do today?
Today we will do fertilizing.
Fertilizing?
Yeah, it's like preparation for next year. We do a organic way. Fertilizing is quite important to make the healthy soil. The healthy soil helps to make tasty and a very good quality tea actually. Especially matcha. We also let them stress by shading, but to make the strong tree is quite important.
Okay, let's go.
Yes, let's go.
Please, the tools for the fertilizing.
Okay, so the bags to put in the fertilizer.
Oh.
I'll just put it here for now.
Yes. So let's go. Oh wow. Oh.
So the fertilizers is made of mostly organic ingredients like fish powders, canolas, soy, and then which has a lot of nitrogen, and also those things are fermented, so which also has a lot of bacteria inside. So it really helps to make the soil be healthier. The activation of the bacteria is increasing after we put those nutrition.
Reiki-san, what is this?
Where the deer cage.
Deer cage.
Also, right now there's one more. He captured 2 deer actually.
Are there so many deer
So
here?
many, it's really overpopulated. So that one is ours. And accidentally when we did the tea farming, one of our staff has cut this one. So it's better to fix.
Now Reiki-san is preparing for the deer trap.
So the functional machine is called a couching. It's like to mix the fertilizer with the soil. It really helps the fertilizer be compost.
What is this machine doing?
So, if you can see, it's digging a hole, mixing the soil and the fertilizer together.
Manali, is this your first time doing a fertilizing?
It's, yes, this is my first time doing fertilizing. It's very exciting. I've gained a lot of muscle. And yeah, it's been great. It's like, I pretend like I'm going to school and I've got my backpack and I'm just fertilizing the ground. It's wonderful. I punch it up.
Oh. Meanwhile, Daiki-san is preparing for this.
To capture the deer, ここになんだろう
Food.
bit difficult to see the string, and there's a food, mostly rice skin. If the rice, a lot of bird is coming. The rice skin is really attractive only for the deer.
Oh.
And then it's also we put some salt. In the mountain, they are facing a lack of the salt, so the salt is also really intrigued them.
Salt.
Salt.
Oh.
Even this year we set this fence. 2 weeks ago, one deer entered, and then all of our edamame was destroyed by them. これが、once they entered and tried to eat, and then string is cut, and then this cage is closed. Fertilizing is quite important for to make the high quality tea. It's like a food for the humans. Like even though we do organic way, so we don't use any pesticide and herbicides, but fertilizing is quite important. Just like making like not tasty organic tea is more easy, just like let them go. But like to make the tasty organic teas, those investment like fertilizing to make the healthy soil and then to make the healthy branches is quite important. So like what we do is depending on the season, the type of nutrition which the tree needs is different. So we calculate the amount and then use the different type of organic fertilizers depending on the season. Today we do more like a fish-based things, and especially this just after this second harvest, it's good time to let them help to make the healthy branches for the next spring harvest. So we will do 2 more and later on this season. So like one is 2 months ago, 2 months later, and then one is like March.
Okay, so what are you going to do now?
Rest of part, the hedge of the mountain, there's so many weed, also
Okay.
fern. We will take it out now.
Okay. Daiki-san,
はいはいはい。
たらくん。